Hello everyone and welcome to the Rlaarlo workshop. In today's video we will guide you through the large battery tray conversion for the Rlaarlo Dragon Scale Knight kit version. First, remove the body shell. The setup currently shown on screen is the dual battery tray configuration. Let's begin by disassembling the internal structure to match the state shown in the video. Install the rear support rod into the mount and secure it using a 2.5mm partially threaded screw and a spacer. There are two recesses under the support rod. Insert the nuts into them, flip the chassis over and secure it from the bottom using two M4x12 screws. Next, use a M3x8 screw to secure the body clip tether mount to the support rod. Now, install the center differential assembly. In the dual battery setup, the motor is mounted facing forward. When converting to the large battery tray, the motor must be mounted facing backward. Secure its base using 3 M4x10 screws and 2 M4x12 screws. Next, we will install the receiver box. Please note that the M3x5 grub screw on the receiver box is used to secure the antenna tube. Place the assembled receiver box onto the corresponding holes of the chassis and secure it with two M3x8 screws. Moving on to the servo mount, first install the side spacers aligning with the holes shown in the video. Please note, adjust the spacer thickness according to the height of your specific servo. Use 4 M3x8 screws to secure the servo mount posts at all four corners. The finished assembly should look like this. Place the assembled servo mount unit face down onto the chassis and secure it with 4 M4x10 screws. Next, install the servo linkage. The distance between the two rod ends must be precisely adjusted to 27.1mm. Secure one end of the assembled linkage rod using an M3x14 screw and nut, then connect the other end to the steering bell crank with another M3x14 screw and nut. Next, insert M4 nuts into the large battery tray. Align it with the corresponding holes on the chassis and put it in place. Secure the large battery tray to the chassis using 3 M4x10 screws. Then, place the ESC mount in the position shown in the video and secure it from the bottom using 3 M3x8 screws. Finally, install the battery straps to complete the conversion. That concludes today's video. Thank you again for visiting the Rlaarlo workshop.